Today we're going to be going over the basic cleaning that you should be doing semi-regularly on your desktop computer. Just a quick dusting here, checking out the filters behind the fans if you have them, for any kind of buildup like that, and just knocking it out real quick. And even that will extend the longevity of your computer, stop a little bit of more dust from coming in, gumming up the works. So let's check it out. Alright, so you want to start with a microfiber towel and just dust off all of the outsides, the front, the back, just so that as you're pushing things in and out of it, you're not wasting your time when you come to the end. And you're getting everything from the outside first. Around and around, getting that glass panel nice and shiny. Alright, then lay it down on its side here so you can get a good view of what you're looking at and you don't accidentally knock it over. Unscrewing that one. Your screw is going to be in a different place for every side panel that you have. This one just happens to be where the XethaPCs are. And then just get a good dusting on all your major areas, Get a better view for you there. All there. See dust. Get that out of there. Don't put too much pressure on the top of that GPU. It is only mounted by the two screws there unless you put a support. You don't want to end up breaking the PCIe connector. And then just wiping down all of your surface areas. The back wall, the tops. And then getting that bottom filter. There's typically a filter underneath the power supply. So just getting that. Giving it a quick little wipe down with your rag, knocking the dust out of there, and then you can just put it right back on. Continuing getting all the sides, and then we want to just pop that front panel out right there, and instantly you can see the dust pop out of there. Like I said in my previous video, the front panel, that intake fan, is going to be where almost all of your bad dust is going to get collected. So these ones come with just a nice little filter. You can either pop out or slide out. On most computers will have a filter on that front panel. So just getting there and wiping it off. And I mean, like you saw all the dust buildup right here. That was just from 1 month ago. That's how quickly it'll build up. Actually, this makes me think I should add a new intake fan on the front, honestly. And then grab your dust. Start by using a can of air just at the beginning, but I have the big guns, so I might as well whip them out here. Just a can of air will do fine. Just make sure that you are using the straw attachment and keeping it upright at all times. You don't want to accidentally be pushing some of the liquid into your system. That would be bad. But this way, just going around all of the sides, all of the corners, blowing out as much of the dust as possible, because we just shook it all loose when we were wiping it down. Hopefully the microfiber towel will collect all that it can, but it's not guaranteed. But doing this, just going around each edge, going through, getting each of the fans on fronts and back sides, is going to push most all the dust out. So as you can see, just regular maintenance of your computer, just going in, checking that everything is clean, secured, can really help extend how long your computer is going to keep working for you in the long run. And honestly, it's just as simple as that. Going in, wiping it down, dusting it off will keep your temperatures nice and low, keep your air flowing nice and smoothly, and who knows? It might even show you something that you missed when you were putting it together, or that someone else missed when they were putting it together for you. Like, I noticed how that fan, I wanted to add a new one to the front to increase the airflow of my system. But, you live and you learn. Until next time, though, I'm Waylon. This is XethaPCs. Enjoy the great rest of your day. Take care.